Do you care if you nail are done when you get engaged? Okay, okay. This question I'm not really understand. Do you care if your nails are done? नेल्स आर डन लाइक व्हाट इज एक्चुअली नेल्स का मतलब क्या होता है? नेल्स का मतलब है नाखून, डन का मतलब काटना. तो लाइक इफ लाइक oh now I understand. Okay, yeah, okay, basically this question is actually belongs to, okay, still this question actually belongs to US and Europe. Especially this question actually belongs to the girl from US and Europe. Why? Okay, why is this thing? क्योंकि जो US एंड यूरोप में जो लड़कियाँ होती है ना, दे हैव काइंड ऑफ लाइक समथिंग वेरी like makeup is a kind of like something very priority for them. Okay, makeup यानी just do stuff like that कि चेहरे पे क्या लगाना है, क्या नहीं लगाना है, and they have a lot of things. They are not just taking care of their face, they are taking care of their nails, hands, leg. I don't, there is specific word by the way, pedicure is for the leg, right? I'm not really sure pedicure is for the nail or leg, I don't know, but these are kind of like a something really that they do. Okay, like pedicure and the yeah, I remember pedicure and manicure, is it right? I'm not really sure. Okay, yeah, but these are kind of like a stuff they do. Okay, that's the pedicure and yeah. So basically is this thing that ki, like the question is actually asked that ki, do you kind of like a something that ki, do you engage like a before this nails are done? Like basically is this thing कि अगर तुम्हारी engagement है और and your nails are not done, your pedicure is not done, or your makeup is not done, will you do engage, or will you kind of like something like that? I just still not understand this thing. Okay, like is this kind of like something very important to them? Because it's just like that. It for me it's like really tertiary thing. really tertiary thing. Okay, like first of all is that कि I am a boy. Okay, so I have some sort of nail. तो मैं नेल कटर से काट लेता हूँ, ख़त्म. 2 मिनट में ख़त्म हो, 2 मिनट में कट जाते हैं. इट डजंट रियली टेक दैट मच टाइम. ओके, मुझे पैर के भी नाखून काटने हैं तो वो भी 2 या 3 या हार्डली 5 मिनट में ख़त्म हो जाएंगे. ओके, देन व्हाट एल्स आई कुड डू विद देम? नथिंग रियली एट ऑल ना. ओके, अगर मुझे पता चल रहा है कि जस्ट लाइक दैट अगर मेरी एंगेजमेंट हो रही है 10 मिनट में तो 5 मिनट में मेरे नाखून कट जाएंगे, ख़त्म. भाई इट डजंट रियली टेक दैट मच टाइम. ओके, बट डूड तो समझ नहीं रहा यार. it for you are the boy na, I'm the boy. Okay, yeah, so it's just like I'm not really understand this thing, what is actually the procedure required for this nails and this and that. लड़कियों के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा मैटर करता है डूड. उनके नाखून कैसे होंगे, पैर के नाखून कैसे होंगे, दे हैव काइंड ऑफ लाइक समथिंग दे वैक्स और समथिंग रियली दैट. ओके, इट रिक्वायर्ड अ प्रॉपर प्रोसीजर, एंड इस प्रोसीजर को एग्जीक्यूट करने के लिए दे रिक्वायर्ड अ टाइम, अ लॉट्स ऑफ टाइम. Okay, lots of time means like that at least for an entire day to do all those things, makeup and this and that. It just understand your girl point of perspective ना, तो ये सारी चीज़ें होती है. Okay, तो the question is that कि like basically have you like okay now I understand this question actually belongs to the US, but why not? क्या इंडिया में ये सारी लड़कियाँ करती नहीं है? well, in metro city people लड़कियाँ do such thing like that. Okay, tier 1 tier 2 yeah, like basically this thing. Okay, these are kind of like a manicure, pedicure or nails are, these are kind of like a something really things which is kind of like a something like the something really the as a kind of like a something like luxury commodity. Means like that कि इंडिया में मेकअप करना ही, दैट्स इट. ओके, लाइक बेसिकली पुटिंग द पाउडर एंड थिंग्स लाइक दैट वगैरह. बट इट इज़ लाइक दैट इंडिया में इसका इन्फ्लुएंस इतना ज़्यादा नहीं है. मे बी मेट्रो सिटी में होगा, मे बी दिस थिंग इज एक्चुअली हैपन इन द मेट्रो सिटी, जहाँ पे बड़े सिटी जहाँ पे होता है. बट इट नॉट एक्चुअली हैपन इन द tier 2 tier 3 सिटी. ओके, like basically I am living in tier 3 city. Okay, एज अ लोकल सिटी, और यहाँ पे मैंने आई हैवंट रियली सीन एनी काइंड ऑफ लाइक nails or this pedicure things like that. But still you are the boy, how do you know about stuff like that? लड़कियों को पता होगा यार शायद. Okay, but just get the question is that कि do you kind of like a somebody get engaged before this nail? For me it's, this question is not belongs to me. How would I supposed to give the answer? I will not give this answer properly, definitely not. Okay, and even if I girl, then I don't really understand the gravity of this thing. Gravity का मतलब है like importance of that particular thing. How do I supposed to know? I'm not really sure. Next question.